Hey guys, Nabil from Topaz. Hope you're doing well and that you're enjoying your summer. I'm actually in London, but I am talking to you today about one of our other sites, which is Topaz Bristol. Now, as you know, we have Topaz Bahrain, Topaz Doha, Dubai is on the way, and a couple other sites that are cooking up. But today, I'm going to be talking about Topaz Bristol specifically. And the reason being is because there's a really, really cool car that I thought you would love to see. I'm not going to say what it is just yet, but we are going to be doing some paper protection film, some detailing paint correction, and ceramic coating on this bad boy. And you're not gonna expect this car to be on our channel, but once you see it, you'll be like, that's cool, respect. Anyway, I wanna stop talking, watch out for the video to find out what it is. So you've seen now what we've just done to the car, and I bet you still don't know what the car is. And neither did I until it was explained to me. So this is a Vauxhall Chevette. Well, it was a Vauxhall Chevette. It's fair to say that usually we're known for huge transformations. I mean, if you remember the GT2 RS that we did, huge transformation. Some of the Topaz King cars we've done, huge transformation. Even from gloss to satin PPF, transformed the look of the car. But yeah, as I said, it's safe to say that this car already came to us with a huge transformation. Do you want to see what it looked like before? I'm going to pop up a little pop-up picture right here. This is what it looked like. This is when it was a Vauxhall Chevette. And now it's nicknamed the Vader Chevette. So it's now badass. Before it went from being a grandma car to Darth Vader's car. So if you see what it looked, I mean, it's such a cool and epic looking thing. It's stripped out inside, race ready essentially, but on the road, and it looks so menacing. And it is essentially a Vauxhall, sort of. But let me give you some more details of the car, because I mean, there's a man behind the camera with a list of things that I have to go through, because it's quite a lot to take on and to put in there, but I want you guys to know about it. So let's go with point number one about this car. It's been completely rebuilt by a company called Retropower. Number two, it's got 270 horsepower engine. Three, it's got a completely new axle, diff, LSD, so limited slip differential, and brakes and suspension. I mean, everything on this car is new. Number five, it's got a Quaife 6-speed gearbox. This car is packed with juice. It's packed with things that are gonna make it look very, very unique and also drive it in a unique way. Number six, new exhaust and manifold and essentially a whole new exhaust system. Number seven, and you're not gonna believe me on this one, it's got a bespoke fuel tank and it's been fully rewired, and I quote, to military spec. And yeah, I mean it, military grade. 8, it's got a full, obviously, interior. Full interior has been retrimmed, again, totally inside. The whole thing has been taken out, stripped out, and put back in again. And number 9, a wide body kit, again, to make the car look wider. That's why it looks so menacing compared to what it looked like before. And 10, finally, it's been resprayed from almost like a limey, banana-y sort of yellow to a proper color, to solid black, which is, you guys know, is my favorite color. So that's a lot on this car. That's a lot of details. All in all, it's about, I think it's over 1,000 hours of man hours on this car. 1,000 man hours on the car. It takes us to fully sand down the car and do our level 5 treatment, which is our signature treatment, about 100 hours. That's about 2 weeks worth of work. This has had 1,000+ hours on it. It's mental. As I mentioned, obviously this car is in solid black. Solid black is, if you know or don't know, it's one of the most difficult colors to work with in terms of paint protection film and also detailing and paint correction. So we made sure we did a level 2 detail on it. We made sure that the paintwork is spot on before applying paint protection film. Now, the paint protection film was a fully bespoke, tailor-fit solution because there isn't another car like this. So we had to pattern each and every single panel. The installation was done and the detailing was done in Bristol. So to give you an idea, anywhere you go with any Topaz site, the full quality service that you're going to get it everywhere. And that's the mission statement I have, to make sure that it's exactly the same across all of our sites and franchisees and franchises and also our joint ventures. So it's very important that the quality is exactly the same and the offering is the same. And then finally, after we've done, we did the paint protection film, which again is a one-off. We then applied ceramic coating to make sure that it basically gets maintained. The maintenance of the car is as easy and as hassle-free as possible. And that's essentially what ceramic coating does. And also protects the pores of the film, which makes it look better for longer. So that was a lot of information, and I'm glad that you're still with me. If you are still with me to this point, it's a very interesting car, and I think for people who do like this kind of stuff, I think please give us a thumbs up to let me know that you did like the effort that everyone went through to make sure that this is shown to you guys, because it's a unique car and I like showing you something different. Anyway, that's all from me and the guys in Bristol. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe and tell your friends about this cool car. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Guys, don't forget our car care range is now available for you to purchase in our Topaz store, which I'm going to link up here. These are the products that we use here in our studios and across the world, from cloths to all the maintenance needs that you need. I'm going to be giving you also a 10% discount because you're watching here and you supported us all the way through this by using the code TOPAZ10 on checkout. Make sure you enjoy them and let me know what you think. Take care.